Hey guys, if you remember a little while back, we talked about the Pferd CC Grind Solid grinding wheel. Well, Pferd has one-upped it with this, the CC Grind Robust. This disc has an improved abrasive, as well as a new fiberglass backing with a new geometry to help get the disc further away from the grinder. I got to test it out a few days ago with our Pferd representative. You can check that out right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, the new abrasive and the new fiberglass backing let this disc be incredibly durable, and it gets a lot of work done. This disc also, the same features as the old one, where there's a lot less vibration, the noise is significantly reduced, as well as the dust from a hard wheel. And another thing that I noticed right off the bat was the smell. There is no smell like your classic hard wheels. As you can see here, we're going to show you a clip of a hard wheel comparison. It's clear I was struggling a lot more with the hard wheel when compared to the CC Grind Robust. The CC Grind Robust also leaves a much smoother surface finish to get you closer to your finishing steps. For our entire Pferd collection, you can visit canadawellingsupply.ca, and if you have any ideas on what you want to see next week, you can leave a comment or shoot us a DM.